In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage user roles in Go High Level. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your preferred web browser and search for Go High Level. Look for the official site in the results and click through to the platform. From the home page, choose the option to log into the app. You can sign in using your regular credentials or use the Sign In with Google option if that's connected to your account. Follow the on-screen prompts, and once you're in, you'll be looking at your dashboard. From Agency View, head to Settings. This is your control center for agency-level configuration. Next, click Team. This area is where you add people to your agency and decide what they can see and do. Understanding the distinction between user types at the agency level and roles inside sub-accounts is key to keeping things secure and organized. At the agency level, there are two primary user types. Agency Admin has full access to everything at the agency layer, including all settings and all sub-accounts. This is ideal for trusted operators who need to oversee the entire system. Agency user can still access all sub-accounts, but they may be restricted from sensitive agency-level settings like billing or deleting sub-accounts. This is a safer choice when you want broad visibility without the risk of major administrative changes. If you don't want someone to see every sub-account, set that person to account type under the Roles tab and choose only the specific sub-accounts they should access. This keeps focus tight, reduces clutter for the user, and helps protect sensitive data across clients. Now switch into the sub-account where you want to fine-tune access. While inside that sub-account, go to Settings and then select My Staff. Here, you'll assign roles that apply only to this individual sub-account, separate from the agency-level user type. Within a sub-account, Admin provides full control over all tools and settings for that one sub-account. Use this for team members who need to build workflows, manage calendars, adjust pipelines, and handle reporting locally. The user role is more limited. You can toggle off specific modules like workflows, calendars, or reporting to match the person's responsibilities. Open the Roles and Permissions tab in the user's profile to check or uncheck individual features, tailoring access precisely without overexposing data or complex tools. That's it. By navigating agency settings for user types and sub-account settings for roles, you'll keep your workspace secure, streamlined, and perfectly aligned with each teammate's job.